Okay, so this will be our last video for this week. We have two more shapes to do. We have pyramids and cones, and we're still talking about the volume. And remember, with volume, we're talking about the space inside a 3D figure. So how much space is inside this pyramid? Okay, so for a pyramid, you can take the area of the base. So we need area of the base, and then you need the height. Okay, so we need the height, and then what we're going to do is the pyramid is 1/3 of a prism. 1/3 of a prism. So we're going to say area of a pyramid is equal to area of the base times the height divided by 3. For a cone, it's going to be very similar. So one, you need your area of the base, which for this will be a circle. So your circle down here. And then 2, you need your height. Okay, and now this is 1/3 of a cylinder. All right, so this one's going to be a little bit more. Excuse me, not area. This should have been volume. My bad, guys. Volume of a pyramid. Volume of a cone. So volume of a cone is going to be equal to area of the base, but the base is a circle. If you remember a circle, that's pi r squared. So this is going to be pi r squared times h divided by 3. Okay. All right. So those are really the only two that we need to know. Now it's important to remember here that this base, this could be a square or a triangle, so we have to be careful on this. Alright, so here we go. So again, now we're looking for volume. Alright, so let's see what we have. So we got a pyramid. Alright, so I find my base. So my base is here. So the area of that base is going to be 21 times 9. So the area of the base, if I can get this going, so that's going to be 21 times 9 for 189. Okay, save that. My height, so how tall is the pyramid? That would be 5, so that's h. And now we're ready. So the volume of the pyramid is equal to 189 times 5 divided by 3. Alright, so 189 times 5 divided by 3. 315. So the volume is equal to 315 units or yards cubed. Okay. Alright, next up, you've got a pyramid, but you have a triangle base. So you have a triangle base. Alright, so the area of the base, remember for a triangle, is base times height divided by 2. So my base is 12. I'm just looking at this triangle, and the height of that one is 7.5. So it's times 7.5 divided by 2. Now this 10 over here, this 10 is the h of the pyramid. So the height of the pyramid. So that's not going to be in this part. Alright, so we need to find this base, area of the base. So 12.5, or 12 times 7.5 divided by 2 is 45. So area of the base is 45, and your height is 10. All right. So our volume is going to be 45 times 10 divided by 3. And so V for volume, so 45 times 10. 45 times 10 divided by 3, 150. So 150 millimeters cubed. All right, last one. So here you have got a cone. So we're looking over here. So we're looking at the circle. So we need the area of the circle. That's going to be pi r squared. So careful here. 5 is the diameter. So if D is 5, that means the radius is half of that, so 2.5. So the area of the circle is going to be pi times 2.5 squared. Alright, so here we can go 2.5 squared is that times pi 19.63. Okay, and now so that's the area of the circle, and now h, how tall is the cone? That would be 8, so that is my h. And so then the volume of the cone is going to be 19.63 times 8 divided by 3. Alright, last time for the calculator. So clear this, so 19.63 times 8 divided by 3. So 52.35. 52.35 inches cubed. Alright. So on the next page, you've got 6 problems to do, pyramids and cones. Good luck.